Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, one thing about Uma Khumalo, she is known for having style. Even if you go to her Instagram page, you can see Wuti Ugel knows how to dress. She's always on point, man. That's what I'm trying to say. But fans are really not happy about the recent picture, not a picture, the recent video that they saw of her dress. But nje, sis, what the heck is going on there? Like, kuyaphithizela nje, is pity sana. We don't understand that dress, and we know you for having style. So why are you wearing that dress? Cause nje, it's really not you, Makumalo. It's really not you. Kwenzakalani sisi? Why are you disappointing us? That's the fans complaining ukuthi we know her for style. So there's this dress that she was wearing when she was attending the awards with Umseleko and her sister wives. It's just a green bob tube dress that Umseleko was complaining about. Atinje, this dress is revealing. And I don't see anything revealing mina here, but maybe it's the shoulders. Fans are just like, sis, this dress, this parachute, it looks like a parachute. Your designer failed you this time. And she looked happy, Shem. It's all that matters. Ukuthi the person that was wearing the dress is happy, but the fans were just not having it. Others were complaining about the color, others were complaining about that thing down there. You know that thing down there, Nami? And it looks like ayilingani nokulingana. Indoni fashion, they really did her dirty, shame. Even that thing on top, those, I don't know if intambo or yini, that red thing there or pink. I really don't understand what's happening. Irogo lapha phansi ngathi alilingani. A lot is happening with this dress. But also, who are we to judge, guys? Like, this dress probably was expensive. So maybe we don't know fashion, but kuningi sana fans in the comment section were just telling her ukuthi no, sissy. People were saying that the dress is not dressing. And then someone said the dress looks like testicles. Hibo, guys, because of that big part down there. And then someone said, I love you, my K, but the dress is not dressing you. Hey, kuningi sana, kuningi. Someone also said, there's no way you are my favorite, but the dress is not make sure. Never. A balloon. Like, the designer that was designing this dress, I think they wanted to make it, I don't know, but it's really not dressing. People are complaining about the dress. And the dress, Pezulu, it's fine, but down there, I don't understand what the designer was trying to do, trying to make a statement. Also, those pink and red things there on top were also not necessary. But if the owner of the dress is happy, then who are we to judge? Like, really, who are we to judge? As long as Yenashi is happy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and comment on this video. What do you think of Makwalo's dress? Out of 10, how do you rate it?